Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel today, and welcome to another case study video of my legend secrets. Now, as always, I know I keep saying that I've not been keeping track of my hops and everything, so I don't know what this is. I'm just doing this video, and I'll keep figuring it out. Okay, so if you're just joining us, we are doing a case study video of my legend secrets, trying to get my first sale on Clickbank. Yeah. Okay, so you might be asking yourself, what is my legend secrets? So my legend secrets is a mailing system, right, that gives you 100 leads a day for $1, right? That's basically what the system is. And like I said, I don't know where they get these leads from, but it's really, people are really getting um success from it, right? This system is all about being patient, keep mailing every day, picking a product on Clickbank, and being patient every day. Like, that's basically what it is. I was in the paid group yesterday. Even today, I go there to read, because they have a paid community on Facebook. So once you register, um you can join the paid community group, right? And people said something about, some people have about 10 accounts, some people have 8 accounts, right? And they're really crushing it with it, right? You just have to keep mailing every day. That's basically what my legend secret is, and people are actually getting results from it. So I decided to hop on it, and I got myself one. So if you're interested and you want to get right into my legend secrets, right, you can use the link description below. Then you'll be brought over to a page that looks like this, right? um then you click on use my secret now. Then you input an email address here. I don't know. I don't know, maybe you can just type something. I don't know if that's going to go. uh, I just typed anything there, sorry about that. Then you scroll down. Then you input your first name, your name, your password, your first name, everything. Where did you hear about us? You can write my name here if you want. you know like I said, they charge you $30 a month, right, for your leads. That's $1 a day for 100 leads you get, and the $30 extra is for your mailing system, because obviously you can't download these leads and upload them to like a web get response. They won't allow you, right? It's not just possible. So that's basically it. Then you input your credit card details, and like I've been saying in all my videos, if you're from Nigeria and you want to get in on the system, and you have been looking for a way to get in on the system, because our cards are capped at $20, like I said, you can use um Wallet Africa, right? This the platform I use, they give you dollar cards and naira cards respectively, and you can get dollar on this platform for 606, which is at the black market rate. So this is an information for my Nigerian people. So if you are in the United States, or wherever you are, maybe Bangladesh or Pakistan or maybe Iceland, anywhere, this doesn't apply to you. So with that being said, let's just dive right into my Clickbank account, and let's check the stats for today. So I'll click on oh, I think I just close this. I just click on login. You guys, I'm going to be quick. My battery is about 16% and I'm about to die. Okay, so I just put in my password. Okay, so you know, Jeremiah. All right, then my password. So okay, so I hit login. So that's logged in. So yikes, we didn't get the sale again today, but that's totally fine. I'm not saving this. That's totally fine. That's fine. We keep mailing, all day. Okay, so next thing we want to do on here is to, let me just check the reporting real quick to see what's up. So I don't even know how this goes. I think we just got a total of like, I think maybe like 52 hops. Okay, right up. Okay, so we got about 54 hops, right? I don't really understand because I'm not really promoting it. I'm only promoting write ups. Okay, maybe other people actually did open it. So I think I might just scrap those handy dandy notes, man, because I'm literally confused right now. I don't really even know. But all I just know is that stats are coming in, and I'll say the turnouts are not so bad. So if you check this place, write up reviews. This is what we are promoting here, right? 54 hops, uh two ups, like two people actually completed the order, you know other impressions 23, you know there was no sales, right? I don't like no track of any sales, but that's already fine. And so let me give me a while, let me log into my legend secrets account. mm. So I'll click on this. About 16%. So um no, yeah, I'm supposed to use members login. So I will log in here. uh I input my password, right? And now we hit login. you know let's just see how well the start did. Let's just check. So I don't want to save this, so let's scroll down. So we mailed yesterday. Okay, so let me just see. So we had 153 people open, because I think I mailed about 1,000 people, right? 15 click, 15% open rate, 10% click through rate. Well, I don't know. I think the click rate is low, but we keep mailing every day. I think um I'm gonna keep mailing out the same write up reviews. I wanted to change the product after 3 days, but I will just keep mailing the write up reviews. So this is going to be day 4. So go over to your Clickbank account. And by the way, if you don't have a Clickbank account, I did a video on my channel whereby you can get a Clickbank account for people that are in restricted countries. If you are in a restricted country, you can get the Clickbank account. Just check on my channel. You see the video I did about a year ago. So the next thing you want to do over is you want to go over to the marketplace. And like I said, this product is not going to work for any other category aside from the e-business and the e-marketing, because these leads are interested to make money online. So that's just basically it. We scroll down, go over to e-business and e-marketing. you know and we are promoting write up reviews, which is what is here. Then we'll click on let's go to the affiliate page, and let's just let's snipe the email swipe for default. So I think I'll keep mailing these write up reviews till I probably get a sale. That's what I'm going to do. I'll click on email swipes, cancel. So I'm emailing for day 3, I guess. I don't know if that is okay. I don't think it's day 3. I think it's 30 hours for reading news. I'm not sure this is because I think I remember I seen $30. Okay, I think this one is for day 4. So I'm doing for day 4. As always, I'm going to copy this, copy all the you guys. I'm supposed to actually input an email signature whereby I'll show my face. I've not really done that. When I am done with doing that, I'll show you guys, because I heard that it actually boosts your click-through rate, because they know that it's an actual human being that is messaging them, right? If that makes sense. So when I am done, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So I'll go over to my lead, click on this. Then I will go over to my mailing system. Then as always, you want to click on select all, right? So I'm mailing today 1100 leads, so that's like so this one doing control A, no, then we deleting all that, then we pasting this. You guys, I can't find paste. I don't think this copied. Yikes, I'm not sure it copied. Okay, I'm not sure. I think we have to go back and okay, so sorry, I'm supposed to click here. As always, I don't think I need that pre-header. I click out here, copy. I sure do hope it has copied already. Come here, mailing system. Let's click. Apparently, I don't think this thing is actually copying. I don't know what's going on. Okay, wait. I think I just hit Ctrl V on my keyboard because I don't know what this is. It's like wasting my time. Alright, so as always, I'm deleting this pre-header. Right, then this subject line, I'll do Ctrl X for this one because I want to cut it. I want to delete that, and then from this body as well, I want to delete it. Right, so I will scroll up. And right click, I'll paste the head there. Your opinion is valuable, right? That's actually very catchy. So before I do that, I'll copy this one as always because I want to address them by their first names, right? So right click, copy, scroll down, highlight this guy over here, click, paste it. Okay, let me paste it here. Okay, so that's that about that. I like to check properly. Okay, so the next thing you want to generate a hop link, which is the link that they will go to when they click on the links. So that's our affiliate link. So click on promote. I generate hop links like every day. So MLGS, my Legion secrets. Then we create up link. Then we copy this. Then we go back to our mailing system, which is our my Legion secrets. And by the way, if you guys want to get the system, my link is in the description below. Just go there and just get the system. It's just $60. Invest in yourself. So I will just highlight this blue line. You know what it is. Then go to this hyperlink over here, as you can see this one here. Then I'll right click, I'll paste it, and I'll hit OK. Then that's about. And then for this signature, that's the signature I was telling you guys about. I'm still going to let me delete this whole thing. I'm still going to put a signature whereby I'll show my face. That's what I'm trying to see. So I'll just impute Jeremiah, okay, in all caps. That's not so bad. Let me check if I spelled my name correctly. I think that one is going to be in capital letter. Okay, right, Jeremiah. Okay, so that's just basically it. So next thing, I'll scroll down, you know, I will hit preview, right? First to check if the email is in good shape. Okay, so everything is all good, everything is all good, everything is all good. Hit this blue line. So all the best, Jeremiah. So I close, like I said. Okay, before I say any other thing, let me just hit perfect timing, you know, and hit send email. So let's wait for it to. So I've sent out another message again. So today I mailed 1,100 leads, and let me go and view it in my statistics page. So let me go over to my statistics page real quick. All right. As you can see, I made out 1,100 G's. And one thing you guys need to understand is that it might actually be from. I'm actually not getting sale from some of all these product mails, because you know I promoted live chat jobs earlier, so I might not get a sale from all these guys from live chat, because sometimes these guys might later open their emails later, right? So to close out of this video, right? This is a system whereby you have to be patient with it. You have to be patient. This is not a get rich quick system in that sense. So you have to consider like investing after this month, next month, you know, till you get a sale, you know, and you might actually have to spend your money upfront first before you start getting money back, right? So but I know that if you get into the system, right, you definitely get results, right? It might not be right away, like as you can see right here. I'm just documenting my journey, right? I have not made any sale from it, right? I spent $60 on this system, right? So this is just an investment. I don't really know if it's going to yield anything. So the better days ahead, you know. To my first sale, I haven't made anything, all zeros here, but stats are actually coming in, and that's by the way. So thank you guys so much for watching this day in a nutshell. I'm grateful for you guys come back check my video. So I'll catch you guys in another day. So and yeah, bye for now.